Since you left me, I never really tried to put my life back where it should belong. And I've always let the past get by. I'm realizing that it could be wrong. But now I found you, I had to let it go to make the way for a brighter tomorrow. So now I'm leaving yesterday behind. And finally I made up my mind to let the memories fade away and think about today. I'm leaving yesterday behind, 'cause now I try to live my life was